Hi besties, I'm Jen.
And I'm Shannon. Welcome back to the Calm and Chaotic Connection.
We're best friends. We are totally opposites. Shannon's favorite ice cream is coffee. And my favorite ice cream is mint chocolate chip. Actually, our favorite ice cream is starting to become the box.
We both agree that this is great ice cream.
Yeah.
So we know it's September. This got here the very end of August. This is the August box. And at one point, so they had Choice, and they kept Choice open longer than normal. So we got an email saying it's shipping late. So it shipped late, and then it took its time because that's what my mail does.
So this is not typically a box that is here in a timely manner.
Mm-hmm.
It always makes it, but it doesn't always make it in a timely manner. But it always makes it in one piece.
I don't think I've received anything broken from them yet. But they've got all these peanuts in here. So let's start with this because they have a extra subscription. It's an extra $7 a month. You get 3 loose duochromes. And so far they've been pretty.
They have been on point.
This is gonna be,
ooh,
this would have been good to have in August.
Yeah. So this is okay, so it's the 3
That is really
loose pigments
Look at,
ooh, in addition to the prescription box.
yes,
It's not
the
a separate
subscription
thing.
is $30.
Ooh, that's so exciting to look at. Oh my gosh.
It's almost the exact color of my skin with sparkle. Like if I were Edward Cullen.
Or if wanted to be chased by him through the vampire woods.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my gosh.
That's really pretty. That would be a beautiful topper just to add some extra.
So, like, I look at the way this looks on my skin.
This might even be beautiful as like a
chesticle.
Yeah.
That's what I was just thinking when I looked at this. If I had
like
a big
body
full
glitter
brush.
because it's not big, ugly.
It's not
chunky
like full
glitter.
of color either.
Yeah. That's so pretty.
It's beautiful. I don't think you can see it.
Okay.
I love that.
So this next one is pink.
Purplish.
I think it's pink with a kind of a shift. That's pink.
That's pink. Oh my.
That is pink.
Oh gosh, that's gorgeous.
These are something that you have to use a primer, a mixing medium. This is a glitter glue, but this is a very similar to the gold one.
The speckles are definitely purple. Like, look at it on my skin.
I see pink.
You see pink?
Mm-hmm.
Well, we've always wondered if I was colorblind.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my gosh, so pretty.
This is purple.
That is purple.
This is purple. I'm excited for this one.
I knew you would be. Oh gosh,
this is
so
gorgeous.
Rich.
It's got like a gold shift to it. I know that's picking up on camera. Look at that shift on.
Oh gosh. Gold, green.
Oh. Pink. Orange. That is stunning.
Yeah. So I love the way it shears out and becomes like absolutely nothing but glitter.
Yeah, you can definitely... I'm probably not so much a body glitter out of that one.
No.
The other two would be beautiful as body glitters. Put on a little lotion and then sprinkle the glitter so the glitter sticks.
Or just even sprinkle some, and then do a little wipe job.
We're going to be covered in glitter for days now.
Good.
Not mad.
The herpes of makeup.
Who needs crafts when you have makeup? Sorry, Carrie.
We love you, Carrie.
Okay, so
let's, okay.
I'm just going to start here because it's on the top.
Okay.
This is the Be Bella. It's covered in purple glitter. Blushed Color Quad.
$12.
Okay.
The light blush quad is your perfect companion for a glowing summer.
So they are cruelty free.
Yay.
We do love that. Okay, this is a face palette.
That
this is pretty.
Huge.
It is huge.
What do you think of it?
I think that's a beautiful blush light that I'm going to touch right now. This is very reminiscent of like Peach Fizz.
Okay, so that reminds me of Orgasm. NARS.
Okay. They're similar.
They are similar.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Wow.
And then this highlight is maybe going to be a little dark for me.
Is that a highlight?
It's got to be. I mean, you could probably use it as a blush topper.
Those two are matte.
Nothing on me is matte right now. I don't see anything outrageous here.
No.
I see,
all very wearable.
Yeah. Absolutely usable. I've gotten something from Be Bella before. Do I remember what it was?
No.
No.
We don't remember.
We get too much to remember. Yeah, that's nice though. And that for $12, that's huge.
Yeah.
And the pigment's there. It's not like the only one I had to go back into was this one, and it's just because it's so, I wanted to build it up so you could see it. The pigment's there. We'll see how it blends out.
And very affordable.
For $12. Okay.
Okay.
We got another one of these little ditters. This is from Chantico Beauty. This is liquid eyeshadow. This is number 6. This is one of those ones that's shaped like a little bear.
Oh, I forgot about that last month.
I haven't used that other one because it didn't fit our August theme.
Aww.
This definitely looks like something I might have bought in high school though.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Oh, and it's kind of a frosty silver color.
Wow,
yeah,
that's beautiful.
Ooh. That wasn't the color I expected that to go. It's not super pigmented, but
definitely a topper situation. Yes. This is $20, Shannon. That little ditter.
He's wearing a bow tie. I don't know if it's going to show on camera, but he's wearing a bow tie. I think they're cute. I'm not sure I would pay $20 for them because they're so tiny.
Yeah.
If it were twice this size, maybe.
Or there was a couple different in a set.
Right, like a twofer or something.
Yeah.
I think they're cute though.
Very cute.
I'm not mad to have them. And if I don't like the way it performs, they'll probably end up on the shelf because they're so cute.
They are.
Okay.
Okay.
This is Moon Slice Beauty. I don't know this brand. Girly Pop Highlighter Stick.
Yes, retails for 16 or 18. Is that a 6 or an 8? 8. $18.
Okay.
So this is giving Fenty.
Yeah, this, like the shape of the package and
yeah.
everything. They're definitely doing a... We just said nothing came broken.
Why did we have to say anything at all?
It definitely got screwed up into the top. It doesn't screw. It screws here. And it's... So this is what it looks like. I'm going to swatch it just to see what I'm missing.
Well,
and I will email
yeah.
you. Oh, it is pretty. It's kind of a gold.
Very pretty.
It's not showing up very well on camera.
Kind of a peachy champagne.
Yeah.
I like it.
Yeah, it's definitely kind of a U color highlight. And it's a cream stick. So it might have gone home with you, but
now it's
she's
just going in the trash.
All right. So this is from Illuminati. This is their glowing lip oil. I have this. Nope, I don't have this.
Scared me.
I have something from Illuminati.
Did you get product? Oh, maybe a lipstick situation.
Maybe.
Or this is either comes in ruby or sorbet.
I got sorbet, which it's a lip oil, so this color's fine.
I want it to smell like
how much does
juicy
this
fruit.
Retail for?
$21.
I want it to smell like sorbet. It's a $30 box. It doesn't smell like I want it to smell.
No. It smells like...
It's trying to be vanilla or something.
Yeah, like it wants to.
Yeah. It doesn't smell rotten.
It's not bad. It just isn't...
It was not what I expected it to smell like.
Cherry, strawberry, watermelon
yeah.
even. That's what I expected.
With the color of it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Here is the choice item from the month.
Big Daddy.
There was 2 options.
So you either chose Bloomer...
Hold on.
Oh.
It's still going.
Okay. Oh, I like your scarf.
Okay. You could choose a Bloom palette or
Dudley Rose.
Nobody's surprised I chose the Dudley Rose.
Absolutely.
The Bloom palette was pretty. Like, I actually sat down and looked at them and thought about what I was getting.
Was that one summery floral and this one is the depths of hell?
Yeah.
Okay. It looks like the depths. Is that broken?
No, I think it's kind of broken. But
that looks repressed, Shannon.
Yeah. I'll be emailing her.
Yeah. You dropped some.
Well.
Oh, that stinks.
It's so pretty, though.
It's beautiful. Green, gold,
silver, rose,
black. Like, this is you.
We're going to... Oh, that's beautiful. Oh. Who is this made by?
This is made by Clarity Cosmetics. And we've seen that before.
Mm-hmm. Oh, that is really soft.
It looks repressed. I don't trust you.
Okay, so these are all of the glitters and shimmers. Oh, it's so pretty.
Ooh.
Oh. Okay.
You would have fun with that.
I will have fun with that.
What do you need?
I'm gonna swatch the mattes with my other hand.
Okay.
Oh, it's that color. Like, where did she go?
She swatched this one. That's the same color as her.
It's definitely a palette that I'll use.
Yeah.
I can't be mad at that color story one bit. I'm a little sad that that color came looking that way.
Yeah.
I'm a little sad that my highlighter stick came broken, but that's my life.
Yeah.
So I'm going to email, I forget what her name is. I'm going to email customer service and let them know that half my box came broken. Hopefully they'll take care of me. Even if I don't get a new palette, I will still use that palette. It's beautiful.
It is. It looks right up your alley.
Mm-hmm. Like, look at the card.
Yeah, and the palette, like, the glitter is just everywhere.
Everywhere.
So Okay.
I'm gonna put this back together.
So other than the technical flaws, what do you think?
I think this was a great box. I don't think there was a that I know of, because I haven't really used them. I don't think there was a bad item here. These little bear things are super cute. The palette's beautiful. The face palette's beautiful. I love a lip oil. This would have been beautiful. I don't think you can go wrong with this box.
I don't either.
The box can go wrong. But that happens, like...
Yeah.
8 out of 10 boxes come with something.
We have definitely been on a streak lately where things have been going well for us. It was bound to
I don't know. I've
happen.
had a lot of goop.
Oh, yeah.
I've had a lot of
Mood.
goop. Trend mode. So, for $30.
And you got a scarf.
And I got a scarf. I got a scarf and it still was smushed. Yeah, for $30, if you like makeup, if you like supporting indie brands and smaller companies, I don't think you can go wrong with this box.
No, I think it's a great way to be introduced to indie brands, especially those upcoming ones that are
Like, this swatched
kind
beautifully.
of outshining some of our higher end opponents.
This swatched beautifully. It's a beautiful palette. The color story on the other one was beautiful as well. I know I've gotten something else from Illuminati, and I feel like I liked it. These little bears are adorable. Who doesn't?
And let's talk about this for just a second. This was the best thing that they could have done.
You get 3 for $7. Like, if you like a duo, I love a shimmer glitter situation. If you like a duochrome, you got to add it on.
I think it's a no-brainer.
Yeah.
For $7 and 3 of them. And I mean, let's be honest, these will last.
A little bit will go a very long way unless you drop it on the floor and it
lose
spills
it
everywhere. Yeah. If you get this box, definitely get that duochrome add-on. Do you get this box? Did your products come dysfunctionally this month? Let us know in the comments. Make sure you like and subscribe and ring our ding-a-ling.
Ding the ring-a-ling.
We will see you next time.
Bye, guys.
Bye.